If you're a Houston homeowner wondering if insurance will pay for emergency tree removal, I'm about to save you thousands of dollars and massive headaches. Most people get this completely wrong and end up paying out of pocket when insurance should have covered everything. Here's what most Houston homeowners don't know. Insurance companies have a 72-hour documentation window after storm damage. Miss this deadline and you could be stuck with a $3,000 to $8,000 bill that insurance would have paid. And right now, with hurricane season approaching, this information could literally save your home. I've worked with hundreds of Houston homeowners through insurance claims, and I've seen people lose coverage over simple mistakes. The good news? When you know the rules, insurance covers way more than you think. Let me show you exactly what's covered, what's not, and the 3 critical steps you must take in the first 24 hours. Here's what insurance will cover in Houston. First, storm-related damage. If high winds, hurricane, tornado, or even ice storms cause a tree to fall and damage your house, garage, fence, or driveway, that's covered. Period. Second, emergency removal for safety. If a tree is leaning dangerously toward your home after storm damage, insurance covers emergency removal even before it falls. This is huge because prevention costs $800, but damage repair costs $15,000. Third, power line emergencies. Here's what most people don't know. If a tree falls on power lines serving your property, insurance often covers the removal even if it doesn't damage your house. But here's what insurance won't cover. And this trips up most Houston homeowners. Healthy tree removal. If your tree is perfectly healthy and you just want it gone, insurance won't pay a penny. Neglected maintenance. If your tree was obviously dying, diseased, or had been leaning for months and you ignored it, insurance can deny your claim for negligence. Landscaping cleanup. Just branches and debris scattered around your yard without property damage, you're paying out of pocket. Now here's the critical 72-hour process that most people mess up. Hour 124. Document everything immediately. Take photos of the damage from multiple angles, the tree's condition, and any property damage. Insurance adjusters see thousands of claims. Clear documentation is everything. Hour 24 to 48. Contact your insurance company and get a professional assessment. Don't wait for the adjuster. Get a certified arborist's emergency evaluation. This creates official documentation of safety hazards. Hour 48 to 72. Get written estimates for emergency stabilization. Insurance companies want to see you're preventing further damage. Professional estimates show you're acting responsibly. Here's a real example from last hurricane season. A homeowner in Katy had a massive oak lean against their house after Hurricane Beryl. They called insurance first, then called us. We provided emergency assessment documentation, photos, and worked directly with their adjuster. Result? $6,200 fully covered, zero out of pocket. But here's what could have gone wrong. If they'd waited a week to call insurance or tried to handle it themselves without proper documentation, they could have been denied for delayed reporting or inadequate evidence of storm damage. Look, Houston storm season is here. Right now, while your trees are healthy, is the time to know this information. Because when that next storm hits, and it will, you'll have minutes, not hours, to make decisions that could cost you thousands. If you have a tree emergency right now or you want a professional assessment before the next storm, call 877-454-7964. We're available 24/7. We work directly with insurance companies and we'll make sure everything is documented properly from day one. Don't be the homeowner who finds out these rules after the storm hits. The call is free. The information could save you thousands.